everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Jill. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you, my people. This day, my people. When I remember that small girl where we will talk about where that man carry go hotel now, where the man can't be me. So we go drink a medicine, jogodo that small girl now. When the man can't be me the next day. So now the matter we still do. We can't hear another news again say they don't jail the girl. The family of the man, they say they carry the girl, they go jail the girl. Now I say, God, why people they wicked? Eh? So upon waiting una do that girl, they don't say that small girl, you don't even know anything. That small girl, they very innocent. Eh? Instead, where they supposed to they shame. They supposed to they shame self. They never supposed to even break this kind of thing self, make it even come out safe. They're supposed to they shame. They can't see even get that mind. Take go jail that girl. They too do sha. Eh? They say the small girl now nobody even go they ask for a family, nobody. Eh? I bet Calabar people. More na get up for this girl. Nigerians, may they help this girl. This girl not deserve this jail we want go. Now small girl we just dey helpless. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. It's not some people be. So upon what did this man do? Una not even shame. Barrister for that matter. Barrister we not shame. My people. No. Shame no even dey una high. And the man, I even hear saying a barrister. Barrister we shame not dey high. Nay, una no even una supposed even the shame. Una not even supposed make this kind of matter even come out. Because the way the matter even meme. Una not even suppose no na even bring this kind of thing come out at all. Make the world even see am. Eh? Una can't even no not to do sha. Una can't go jail the girl. Or because una get money. Una brother will be say you're the woman self, you know the shame, your husband. For that kind of thing. Now you the evil see they say una want jail the girl. What did the girl do? That girl they innocent. The girl don't even know anything. Now the girl even go tell manager say come see what the happen when they wake the man may give him money. The man not go wake up. The girl don't know anything. And small pikin we just and I suffer even make can go they do that kind of work when you go find yourself. Eh? So una can't get mind. Go jail that girl because man no say na poor girl, no know anything. They not go fight for yourself. You not go so go fight for her. Let me una treat her like that. God. May God I beg. May they find people, Nigerians, may they help this girl. May they help this girl because these people, what they want to use this girl to do now only God now know I beg. Eh? So now so this world, now so you wicked. Does it mean say poor people don't get say again for that Africa? Poor people don't even get say again. Poor people don't feel talk again. So now so Africa's just come be my people. Una know they see what they happen. But this world they wicked, it really they wicked. Upon the video, una even know say, my people, una even know say na police, na even bring this thing come out. Now bring the video come out because they want make Nigerians make they fight for this girl. Now police bring this video come out because of they don't tell them make the arrest for the case. They say they don't the arrest. Now make police come release the video. It don't tell where the thing happen now. When I watched my video when I first do before, it don't tell. But they just want make sure say they punish this girl for no reason. No reason. Because this girl not do this thing. Una even see what una brother take. Na he by himself, me himself. Una even see the medicine where this man take. Or because of he want go satisfy small girl. So barrister for that matter, now even go do that thing, no barrister. We be saying an elder for church. So all those people, all those more than not they look there like that to all those gentlemen, they look there and say, ah, this man goes school, a responsible man. Now those things that they do, if they're supposed to this one not be men, and they never know say that this kind of thing they do small picking, now they go they carry. Eh? Small girl will never even reach 20 years. They're supposed to even now that now brother, if not be say you don't me, now you supposed to even suffer for this thing when they do so. Now they suffer this poor girl because say nobody to fight for them. Or because nobody to even talk for them. Now make una the treat like this because una get money. More na fear God oh. More na fear God eh. Me Nigerians are beg me they help this girl. This girl today innocent. He don't know anything. I beg. Because I even one man even talk. He say the I beg me the same message to Akwa Ibom governor be I don't know. They are leaders for that side. May they help this girl. May they help him. Eh? Because what this girl they pass through now, eh? Now only God now he know. This girl now go to suffer for that place. And nobody to help him. Nobody to help him. Small girl will not even know anything. He never even see quick the man even pay him money or before he even pay me. Una see they suffer. Now even they hold the girl. If una don't know. Now they hold the girl. Una hear what the girl they say, I think they wake the man since the man not grew wake up. Now he go call manager. He don't know what happen. Even he not even know the girl not even know when they drink the medicine. He don't know. He don't know when they take one. Why the world? Why are they wicked like this? Why are they wicked? Eh? Why are they wicked? God, Nigerians, Africans. Una body sha. Does it mean say poor people not get say again? That be the question when me they ask so my people. Poor person not get say again at all. Does it mean say now only rich people now go just the talk something where go they reach for that Africa? Does it mean say we not go even get say again? Africa not get say again? Me I'm not gonna understand though. Because when you come the apple for this world now, the thing it chocolates me. As Parara talk. Eh? Una see everything, una even see the video. If na maybe una, I go suffer you shame. Eh? I'm not going to even let this thing come out. I go suffer, go bury my brother. I know with that, no 2 years go even hear him. I go say me the suffer leave the girl. Because that girl not do anything. The girl not do anything. The thing even they surprised to the girl when they wake the man. The next thing when una want do not to go jail the girl. Nigeria, so now no, I beg Nigerians, more help this girl, more help him because this man wife na troublemaker. Every troublemaker na be. More help this girl. I beg Nigerians, please, more help this girl. More help him. This girl don't know one, he don't know two. He don't know anything. Na just small little girl we just they come up. Eh? Now suffer poverty, wait for that Africa. Now even they make and go they do that kind of thing. So who go wake up with the money, go just say now those kind of work you want go they do. All those go work now you want go they do. You don't go do one. Now suffer. Then they lead them to all those things. Eh? Africans. Una ode una body, una ode una body. Nigeria so mona help this girl. This girl don't know one, he don't know two. He don't know one, he don't know two. He don't even know when the man take drink that kind of medicine. When they even they ask him, the man take for your body, say it take for your body well. So now what una want do now to jail that girl? Nigeria, so this man, you see what you put this small girl. So now so this family, now so una be, or because una get money, now so una be. This world are wicked. Una really they wicked. Una wicked, Part 2, not them. Una they very wicked. That barrister family now, they wicked well. Eh? God, may God fight for this girl. May God fight for this girl. You say now you dey fight for person who not get mama, who not get papa. More now fight for this girl. I beg. May Nigerians, may they fight for this girl. Eh? May they fight for this girl. This girl not for just go jail for what you don't know one and don't know two. That's why they carry innocent people put for inside prison there. Inside Kirikiri now go put there for there. Eh? My people, I beg. Who see this video, make you help me share am, so that make you reach everybody. And I beg. When I help me share the video, I beg. Because that small girl, you don't deserve this J-way one go. You don't deserve him. You don't deserve him at all. Eh? I beg, oh, my people, anybody who see this video, help me to share it. Please, please, please share this video for me. Share them, make you reach everybody. And I beg, Nigerians, I beg una on the girl behalf. Mona help this girl. Mona help, and this girl don't deserve to go to that prison at all. You don't deserve them at all, because you don't know one, you don't know two. She today innocent. She dey innocent. I beg. Mona not to take all those medicines they go, men. Mona not to take them again. Because this thing don't pass Jeromina for now. Eh? It don't pass Jerome. Everything we got the year for social media na man drink medicine no, this one drink medicine no, Una not they use now real strength again. I be waiting now. Mona they take all those things again. Mona they abuse all those drugs again. Now they cause all those things for our body. Supposing this man not take this now, maybe for their life now. But he want to just finish that small girl. Now make it go take him. At the end, Aduma do body. I see one way Parara they read that day now. That one oh just rise. You know green even come down again. Walking stick rise. You know green come down again. Because of I want finish this girl today. If this girl come today, I meet with her today. I want finish her. I want today na today. Like that one now. Hospital na for see safe. Walking stick don't rise now. You know green come down again. You know green come down because he don't take the medicine, he want finish himself. One of the use on our real strength. So many, if you carry a woman, the woman tell you say, may you go take a medicine. Then I say no, leave the girl. They don't make two of them together. So thank you everybody and take care. This video I know I made too long. That's why I want just talk and reach today. Please, anybody who see this video, please don't be sitting with it. Share the video. I beg, let me share them. Make it reach everybody. And please, please, please. Thank you everybody and take care. Until I come your way next time. I remain your one and only Lady J. Please, thumbs up for me. If you are watching my video, please always put thumbs up for me. Please, please, please. Thank you, everybody, and take care. Bye. Share this video. Like my video. Always subscribe. If you know say you never subscribe, just hit that red button for there so that you'll be notified anytime I put a new video. Bye, everybody. Bye.